Narita International Airport information anchor. 0230. ILS Yankee runway 34 right approach. Landing runway 34 right. Departure runway 34 left. Departure frequency 124.2. Observe gear down operation procedure on final. Wind 250 degrees 13 knots. Maximum 270 knots. Minimum 4 knots. Direction variable between 220 and 290 degrees. Visibility 50 kilometers. Fuel 3,000 feet cumulus. Temperature 8. Dew point -4. QNH 996 hectopascals. 2942 inches. Advise you have information anchor. Departure frequency 124.2. Observe gear down operation procedure on final. Wind 250 degrees 13 knots. Maximum 270 knots. Minimum 4 knots. Direction variable between 220 and 290 degrees. Visibility 50 kilometers. View 3,000 feet cumulus. Temperature 8. Dew point -4. QNH 996 hectopascals. 2942 inches. Advise you have information anchor. Narita International